So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use Kalshi. Now, Kalshi is a very popular application. It's basically like a live betting type of app, but it's a pretty cool thing. And if you want to go and kind of get started with it, this is basically the process. Now, this is what the app looks like. You can download it on the Play Store or the App Store. And if you want, you can go and search for it after you download it. It's going to ask you to log in. So you can go through and you can make an account or whatever you want to do here. Now, as soon as you log in, you'll see this particular page. So this is what the entire page looks like. So you'll see it has a bunch of different things in the top left corner. If you tap here, you can see the money you have within the application. You can invite your friends, you have your watch list, and then you have the settings portion here and the ability of logging out. In the top right, you'll see your notifications. So if you win something, if you lose something, it'll show you all that within the notifications panel. Hopping back out, if you click on the get option, there's usually like a random type of things they're just kind of giving you. So if you want, you can tap up there and you can get that type of promo that they basically have going on right there. And then you have all the different games that are going on. So you can kind of scroll through and find the game that you want to bet on. If there's ever one that's there, you can tap on it and kind of go from there. And you can see it's live changing as it goes. At the very, very bottom, you'll see you have these types of things right here. So you have the Explore page that kind of shows you everything. Under Live, it'll show you the different live games that are going on right now. Under the search, you can search for a particular game or a particular match. And then under Inbox or Ideas, if you have different things or if people kind of have ideas of what's going on, you can kind of go here and kind of get an idea of kind of what's going on. Under Deposit, if you want to make a deposit right into here, you can go ahead and fund your account by clicking onto the deposit portion right there. So that's how you use it. Again, use this app responsibly. I'm not endorsing or anything like that, but you can basically use the application this way. That's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.